Welcome to National Museum Cardiff, the perfect place to learn about the natural world and how humans can help it. My name's Dan Mitchell and I'm a learning facilitator here at the museum. Here at the museum, we have millions of specimens and a team of scientists who study them. One area of the museum we love is our marine galleries. Here you can find displays on the amazing animals that live under the sea. One of the most popular objects in the marine gallery is the huge leatherback turtle. The ancestors of turtles have been around for millions of years. But now they face problems they would never have encountered without humans. Can you think of an example? One of the biggest issues is something you might already be aware of. Rubbish. Lots of the rubbish that we throw away can end up in the ocean. Turtles can easily mistake plastic bags for their favourite food, jellyfish. When turtles swallow plastic bags, they can take up space in their stomachs that should be filled by real food. This is very serious. They can become ill or even die. Can you think of any other animals who might be affected by rubbish in the ocean? All of them. All ocean animals are connected in a giant food web. Imagine an animal eats a small piece of rubbish. This animal is then eaten by a bigger animal, passing the rubbish along the food chain. This continues at every step of the food chain. It can even affect us when we eat seafood, but sometimes our human impact can be positive. By using our creative human brains, we can imagine and build solutions. From scientists working hard to tackle big issues, to communities protecting their local environments, to families making simple choices, many humans are looking for ways to make our impact more positive. Together, we can build the change.